Alright, so I'm trying out a different camera here. This is a GoPro Hero 5. In the past, I've had several of those cheap knockoff Chinese GoPros. And to be honest, I've had halfway decent luck with them. But they really were glitchy a lot at the time. So I decided to finally bite the bullet and get a proper Hero 5. And I'm going to do a couple tests with it today. I'm not going to do like a full-blown review of it or anything crazy like that, but we're going to do a couple tests and see how it works. And I'll take you along for that. Alright, I'm not the most happy with the way I had to mount this. And I've got quite a bit to go, so we'll probably end up speeding this footage up very quickly. It is actually mounted to the dash because I don't have a good windshield mount for it. And, you know, it came with a whole bunch of accessories, and the windshield mount is technically upside down. Like, I would have to, I just couldn't make it work with the tilt of the windshield. I tried a couple different things, but look at the thing there. And I'm gonna go. I have a feeling it's also kind of pointed towards the driver's side right now, and that's not the worst thing ever. I have no idea what the sound quality is going to be like, and we'll see about that. If I recall correctly, these are kind of, the volume coming out of these is kind of quiet, so I might have to boost the volume in the editing software. We'll see about that. But I just want to get an idea of how this camera quality is. The main reason for doing this is actually for my welding projects. And, you know, my Sony Handycam is not exactly the most expensive thing ever. And I want to show you something. See that blue and white trailer? Tell me that doesn't look kind of like a Packard Bell. What are they doing? Excuse me, but my Sony Handycam was like $280, $260, something like that. So it's not the most expensive camera ever, but you know, when I'm doing like these welding projects, I can't get any close-up views of it because I don't want to get welding slag on the lens and destroy it. So with the case that this is in now, it is actually protected. There's actually a piece of plastic, probably polycarbonate, in front of your lens right now, and that will help keep it free, or that'll help keep it safe from the welding slag, and that's what is important. So I need to find out a few things about how, you know, to make this work, and I filmed most of my videos in the beginning. I kind of miss it at times. But what a lot of people don't understand is, you know, I have a family now, so having a family, I kind of just do what I have to do when I can do it. I can't. Ooh, $2.55.9 a gallon. That's not bad. If I have my debit card, I'd go ahead and get gas on that. And I was one of the first students in that school. But they are. But yeah, so this is one of the reasons I wanted this GoPro, is so I could, you know, do stuff like this. And but the like the welding projects, you know, like when I'm when I'm cutting metal, you know, you don't want that slag or all the sparks thrown in your camera. That actually did happen to a guy I watched called Brian's Mobile One. He had a he got a little too close with the camera, and he caught slag on the lens of his camera, and he was grinding off a was it a bulge? It was either, I think it was a control arm. He had to cut the actual control arm so that he could, because the bolt was stuck, and in order to get it properly without doing any damage to the car, he ended up cutting the actual control arm. That's also a shame. They're my one business here called Broadway Tire. Tax man got him. I guess he wasn't paying taxes or wasn't able to afford the taxes, so the company they went under. I don't know how much of this actual footage here I'm going to use. I just don't feel like shutting the camera off and then turning it back on type of deal. So we'll see how much of this footage I actually use. But we're not far from where I plan to go. And, I still need to finish working on that server. I need to finish working on the truck. I have so many projects in limbo right now, it's not even funny, and I just don't have the time, or the weather's not permitted, you know. Now, this thing is way heavier than the Chinese clones I have. I've actually taken vehicles through there before. It actually comes out over on the other side. I just want to see if I can get any shots of this beautiful lake. I've actually done a few videos here, one of which was actually a part of the review of that truck, actually. I want to get a few shots of this lake. The nice thing is this is waterproof, so if I were to drop it, I could actually you know, not have to worry about it. But one of the things I also wanted to check out is I was at like 90-some% battery, or maybe like 80-some%, I don't remember. And now I'm at 75%, so this thing's actually not that bad on battery. And I feel like an idiot because between these shots while I was prepping this to get on the selfie stick, I actually discovered that if I had just turned the camera upside down, it would have flipped the image, and I would have been able to do use that windshield mount, which I may actually use for the way out. So let's see how bad that is. It also comes out up here, but so that one comes across here through another deep spot and then out that way, and it could also come out this way. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to try flipping it over, and that's how I'm going to end up ending this video. And yeah, let me get back to the truck and prepare this thing. Be right with you in a minute. So I'm actually going to end this video pretty abruptly because apparently I only have like 4 minutes left on my SD card. So this is an 8 gig card, and man, this thing does seem to use quite a bit. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to try to get out here in 2-wheel drive, and I'm going to keep that rolling while I try to, because when you are in 4-wheel drive, you're kind of lose some of your turning radius. And I got out here in 2-wheel drive, but apparently I needed a much bigger card than a 8 gig, because that took up a lot of footage. And why not have fun out here, right? Anyway, so as I was saying, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell so you get previewed or get notifications. I might put some links in the thingy-mabobber down below just for grins and giggles. Apparently, I always forget that I have an Amazon affiliate page, so I'll try to link that down. I'll put a link to the GoPro Hero 5